But I just want to make a quick video for you guys. I just received the replacement for my door because somebody the car wash pulled it off when I was driving. So it actually came the whole piece, the whole bottom piece, and the whole metal bottom piece that's here, and the painted cover for the anthracite. This is the anthracite metallic. So basically what I'm going to do is just pop the cover off this one and just put it on here to be on the door, because it happened in the front and the back. It happened. So what I'm going to do is this pops right off. It should pop off because it just sits here in the back and it just clamps onto here. So I'm just going to use a flathead, pop this off, and just slide it off, and then just slide it on the new one. And then I'm going to catch back the video for you guys. So I received the part. So now I installed the one here in the back. So this one is in already. Now I just have this one here to install. What I did was I used my finger and I just pried up here on the end here to take the inside of the metal off. So now it's like just the cover, and this metal piece that goes here is right here, but I'm not replacing that. I'm just replacing the cover because the cover was what went missing. So then the way the cover sits is that this hook end here sits over this, right? So it sits over that side on the end. You push it back and then push it forward, and it should snap in. See, now it's good to go. And that's it. Let me change the door handle covers. Boom. It's not messed up anymore. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. So I replaced the door handle covers for my car that the car wash took off. They were super easy. The video, I posted it on YouTube, so if you guys want to check it out, then you guys can check it out. But if not, I'm so thankful I got new handles now. It looks so much better. That's nice, man. It came with the whole bracket and the painted plastic cover. I paid $36 shipped for everything, and that was with like 3-day priority shipping. It's awesome. Thank you, Acura Parts for Less in Jersey. Appreciate it. There it goes. Nice, looking good. All right.